Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Raga, and today we are going to talk about school certificate paper 1, and the topic that we are talking today will be USB. Okay, and this is my classroom. You can join the classroom for free, and the class code I will give you now. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, the class code is here. Now this is a class code, so you can enter classroom using this website classroom.google.com, and the class code is given here. You enter the class code and it is free. You can get lots of notes. Now today the topic, here are all the topics that we are supposed to cover for the school certificate paper 1, and today the topic that we are taking is USB, and it is on page 102. Okay, now first, what is USB? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Okay, it is an asynchronous serial transmission method. It is a standard. Okay, it has been used everywhere. Standard between devices, computer devices. USB cable consists of 4 wires. 2 wires are used for power, it is positive and negative, and 2 wires are used for data transmission, that is data positive and data negative. Okay, and you can see the diagram. This is a USB cable. Okay, the USB cable, and this one is used to connect to the printer, and this one is used to connect to the computer or laptop. Now let's see what are the drawbacks and benefits of using USB. Okay, so let's go for it now. Drawbacks and benefits. So the benefits of USB is plug and play. In any devices you can use it. It's plug and play. What do I mean by plug and play? Automatically detects. It is detected. No need for drivers to install. It takes the drivers automatically. And another benefit is that it fits only one way, so it prevents incorrect connection. It has been usually used everywhere. It has been used everywhere. It is a industry standard. I mean, it supports all available users. So there are several different data transmission rate, and USB, as we see, it's standard. It's also backward compatible. It means it can be used with older devices using USB. Like you have an old printer using USB, so USB is backward compatible. It can be used with old devices also. Now, what are the drawbacks of USB? Maximum length is 5 meters. Okay, transmission rate is only 500 megabits per second, and nowadays we also have USB 3.0, and maybe it will not be appropriate for new devices. Now let's look at the exam questions. So June 2015, first question, state what is meant by USB. So USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Okay, wait. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, and we can describe USB in this question. It is universally used. Next question is describe 2 benefits of USB connection between the computer and a device. So the benefits of USB are like this: automatically detects. Okay, impossible to connect in a different way. Industry standard. Supports multiple data transmission. Okay, and supported by many operating system. It is backward compatible and faster transmission compared to wireless. Let's look at another question now. June 2016, paper 1. Nikita wishes to print out some documents and connect her printer to the computer using one of the USB ports. Identify the type of transmission. It is a serial transmission, as we mentioned. Serial transmission means serial transmission is data transmitted one after another and through long distances. Now, give three reasons why for using USB port. Again, it is automatically detected in the hardware. No need to install drivers. Plug and play. Okay, support different transmission rate, industry standard, and is backward compatible. Next question. When a printer runs out of paper, when you're doing some printing some document, a signal is sent to the CPU, the processor, to deal with that problem. Now, what is the name of that signal? The signal name is interrupt. What is an interrupt? It is a signal generated by the malfunctioning of the computer hardware and software. It seeks the attention of the processor and it alters the sequence of execution of the CPU. Next, let's look at another question. What is the meaning of USB? Universal Serial Bus. Now, let's try this. True or false? True. So we have to put tick where it's true. So we go for it. All the wires in USB connection are used in data transmission. False. Only two wires are used for data transmission. One to send data and one to receive data. And the other wires is for power in and power out. The maximum length of USB cable is 2 meters. False again. Why? Because it is 5 meters. Okay. Devices plugged into the computer using the USB connection are automatically detected. This is true. USB connection has become industry standard. This is also true. User will always prompt to download a device. This is false because the drivers are detected automatically. So we are done with this question. Let's look at another question. Give two examples of devices which are connected to the computer using USB connection. Now this one is easy. All of you know printers are connected, mouse, Bluetooth transmitters and receivers, camera, external hard disk. All of these devices are connected with the USB port. Okay, we have come to the end of the topic. Goodbye and good luck. Hope you like it.